In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the ActiveCampaign WooCommerce integration to streamline your e-commerce and marketing efforts. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to connect your WooCommerce store with ActiveCampaign seamlessly, allowing you to automate your marketing workflows effortlessly. To get started, you'll first need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll manage all the elements of your website. If you've been here before, you'll know where to find the login option, but if it's your first time, you'll typically find it by navigating to the URL of your website and adding wp-admin at the end. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the plugins and settings available to enhance your site. Now, the next step involves installing and activating the ActiveCampaign WooCommerce plugin. This plugin serves as the bridge between your online store and your email marketing efforts. To install it, go to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Click on Add New, and in the search box, type ActiveCampaign WooCommerce. When it appears in the search results, click Install Now and then Activate once the installation is complete. Activation ensures the plugin is live and ready for use. With the plugin installed and activated, the next move is to connect it to your ActiveCampaign account. Head over to the plugin settings, usually found under Settings or directly related to the plugin's name. Here you'll be prompted to enter your ActiveCampaign API details. These details will securely connect your WooCommerce store with ActiveCampaign. If you don't have this information at hand, you can retrieve it from your ActiveCampaign account settings. Make sure this step is correctly completed to enable the seamless exchange of information between the two platforms. Moving forward, navigate to WooCommerce in the sidebar, choose Products, and then select the product you'd like to edit. This process allows you to set specific automation campaigns tailored to particular items, thereby enhancing the personalization of your marketing strategies. Once inside the product edit page, scroll until you find the section dedicated to ActiveCampaign automation. This is where the magic happens. You will choose the automation to be triggered when the product is purchased. This could be anything from sending a thank you email, following up with related product recommendations, or even tagging the customer for future campaigns. Selecting the right automation is crucial as it aligns your marketing efforts with customers' actions, thereby improving engagement and driving further sales. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures all the adjustments you made are correctly implemented and ready to run as soon as a customer makes a purchase. Saving these settings will lock in all your work, so double check everything to ensure it aligns with your marketing goals. And there you have it, a compliant integration ready to start working for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps enhance your e-commerce success.